Are you currently facing issues with not being able to receive a verification code on Telegram to your mobile? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Telegram app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, scroll down just a little bit, and then you're going to find where it says general. So click on general, scroll down here once again until you can see where it says storage. So click on storage. And by the way, this might take a couple of seconds to load, just so you know. But now we're going to scroll down and find the Telegram app in here. So scroll down and find the Telegram app. It might be somewhere down here, so just a second. I hope that I haven't missed it. Oh, here it is, perfectly. And now what you're going to do on this page, now when you've actually clicked on the Telegram app, click on offload app, and then click on offload app once again. And then you're going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, because what will happen now is that basically you will now get the newest update for the Telegram app. And this will actually take maybe a couple of seconds, maybe even a couple of minutes for some of you to be able to actually auto update to the latest version, because it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was maybe in the previous version. So I did this myself, and it was able to actually fix this problem. So I just went back to my Telegram app after the update was finished for me, and then I tried again, and now it worked. But if it's still not working for you, what you can also try to do is to just basically just shut down your phone and then restart it once again, because sometimes it's a bug that you're not able to receive messages on your phone, and it's not the Telegram app that is bugging, it's basically your own phone that is bugging basically. So you can try that and then try again basically, and hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.